In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 real ways to make passive income. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 real ways to make money, well, passively, okay? Something that you need to understand, guys, is the fact that it is actually possible to make passive income. I can tell you by experience, because when I get started on this, I have 2 full-time jobs. So time was a big issue for me, but I was looking to earn some extra income. So I was looking for smart ways to earn money while I had my 2 full-time jobs, because getting a third full-time job was definitely not an option. So let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually going to be on the same page. Okay. Something that you need to understand about passive income, because most people have a misconception about this topic, is this. Okay. You do the work one and you are going to be earning money. Okay. But that's actually key. You do the work one time and you are going to be earning money passively. Okay. Or to get paid passively, but you need to take or, take an action before you want to get the rewards. Most people are looking just to get the rewards right away. And this is not something magical that for some divine reason is going to happen. Okay. So you need to do the work one time, uh, working in what we call a smart way to get paid passively. So which are these 5 ways that I'm going to be talking about? Okay, let's go with the very first one, which is the fact that you can start a blog. Okay, most people don't know this, but before, and this is part of actually my story. Okay, I actually started my online journey back on 2007. I used to have a really successful blog network. Unfortunately, I met the wrong person at the wrong time and that person scammed me. So I suffered a huge scam. I'm talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars, but my mindset was actually affected. So that's the reason why I had 2 full-time jobs. Because if you ever have some kind of debts before, you know that the banks doesn't care who actually use the money. If the money is actually under your name, you're the one who needs to pay. Okay. So that's the situation that happened to me. And that's the reason why I had to go back and get 2 full-time jobs. Okay. But I used to have this. So I know that you can earn really good money, make a full-time living with this, because there are several ways in which you can monetize it. The very first way is with Google AdSense. Okay. With Google AdSense, literally, you're going to put some banners on your blog. Okay. And when someone clicks on they watch the video, depending on the title of ads that is going to be displayed, you're going to be earning money. Okay. There are some rules and there are some requirements, stuff like that. I'm not going to be talking about that because those are things that actually change pretty consistently. So you can actually Google that. Okay. That's the very first way. Literally, you're going to be, depending on your niche and the amount of traffic you are you're getting, that's the amount of money that you're going to be getting, but literally passively. Okay. This and this is something really important. If you really want to be profitable with niche, this needs to be niche specific. Okay. So the thing with the blog is that, you can literally write about anything, but if you are niche specific, your traffic is really target, you're going to be really successful. Okay. Because your blog it's going to be the go-to place to get the information. So literally, you can create blogs on WordPress. You can create blogs on System.io. There are different tools nowadays in which you can actually create a blog. So literally, you write the content, you publish it, and the cool thing about the blog is the fact that it's actually people are going to be searching for the information. So this is going to be evergreen content. On a blog, also, you can monetize with a digital product. Okay. Um, Diana, can I also offer physical products? Yes, you can. Okay. But the thing here, and this is actually based on my experience, is the fact that if you promote a digital product, the commissions are going to be way lower than if you go with the digital product. This can be your own product. These can also be a way in which you can offer services, okay, depending on your topic, okay, because you are going to be an expert, okay, depending on your topic. Um, you can definitely do this. You can also go with affiliate programs. Literally, you can promote other people, products, and services. These are just examples of companies who have affiliate programs. For example, we have here Amazon. You can click, you can actually see here where it says get your link. Okay, here where it says get your link. This is actually my affiliate link to promote this page. So if someone make the purchase here, Amazon is going to pay me, it's like 2-3%. There's just one category that pay 10%. The rest is like 2-3-5%, because, there are manufacturing, um, shipping and handling expenses and all this stuff. But more than 80% of the companies out there, they do have affiliate programs. These are what we call public affiliate programs. They're private affiliate programs. For example, you can also be part of the Best Buy affiliate program. You can also be part of the Walmart affiliate program. And there are other companies out there who have affiliate programs. Okay. So this is just an example, or actually the very first way in which you can actually earn passive income. Another way, and some people take this route, is by selling online courses. Okay. There are basically two type of places in which you can actually sell your online courses. The first one, it's what we call a marketplace. A marketplace is like Udemy. Here on Udemy, you can find literally tons of uh, courses. Okay. This is what we call a marketplace. Okay. They take care literally of everything. Sometimes they also take care even of the marketing. You only upload your content, make sure that it's actually updated, relevant, and all this stuff. And you're going to be earning money here with them. But because you are uploading the content to this marketplace, you need to play by their rules. If they're running some kind of special and all the stuff, you are actually going to be affected that way. Okay. If they change their policy. Okay. But there are tons of websites like Udemy. It is actually a great way, to get started. Another type of websites or ways in which you can sell your courses is what we call private um, programs. Okay. You can actually create your own thing on websites like Teachable. Okay, Teachable helps entrepreneurs, educators in this case, to share and sell their their courses, with their expertise. Okay, but you are gonna have control of everything. Okay, you're gonna have control of everything. Here, as you can see on Teachable, you can create your own online course, daily downloads, coaching programs, community membership websites. Okay, but you need to take care of the marketing and those things, because this is private. Okay. That means that you're going to take full control, but the platform, it's easy to set up. It helps a lot of people. Okay. You can take payments and all this stuff. Okay. So literally you can teach anything that you can imagine. Okay. You can teach anything that you can imagine, because people out there are consuming content all day long. And yes, it is actually true that there is a lot of people like you are right here on YouTube checking for information, but there are other people who are looking for something way more structured, step by step guidelines and all this stuff. And there is always a need. Okay. There are billions of people online every single day. So there is a lot of opportunities for you out there. The only limitation right now, it's your mindset, literally. Okay. The third way to make money online passively, it's by email marketing. Literally, you can send an email and you can start earning money, but you need to do this in a smart way. Okay. The first thing that you need to take into consideration is that you need to build an email list, niche specific. Okay. If you're asking me, like, Diana, which tools do you recommend me nowadays, to build my email list? There are actually two. First one is going to be GetResponse. Okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually open a free account. The second one is with System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. So that means that you can sell your online courses, you can create your blog, you can do email marketing, you can create funnels and all this stuff. Even right now, I think you have the possibility to create even your own community. I haven't tested that feature yet, but if you want to give it a try, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually open your account. But again, if you want to earn money with email marketing, it needs to be niche specific, okay? Because you're going to be automating your email sequence. So that means that this is something that you set up once and it's going to be promoting your own products or it can be promoting other people's products. Literally, this is actually a way that helps me a lot, when I had my two full-time jobs, because these are pre-written emails that you set up and the opportunities that you have to promote different products are literally limitless. Okay. Literally limitless. Okay. So another way in which you can actually earn passive income is with Amazon FBA or the fulfillment by Amazon program. Okay. So here we have Amazon FBA fulfillment service for your e-commerce business. Um, what is fulfillment on Amazon? It's a program that lets you outsource order fulfillment to Amazon and offer customers free 2-day shipment through Prime. Okay, by enrolling the FBA, you can send your product into Amazon Global's network of fulfillment center. Okay, you're going to be spending less, increase your sales because literally Amazon is going to be taking of everything. Just send the product to Amazon's warehouse and they take care of everything. Of course, there is an investment involved because you need to order the products first and you need to ship it to the warehouse. But literally, that's it. Okay. Yeah, you can run some ads on Amazon and do other stuff. But this is actually a great way. Again, if you have a full-time job, all of these are actually a really great way, to earn money passively. Okay. So I know people who have been even able to replace their full-time job by doing this. Okay. Here are some prices, more information that you can actually learn about the Amazon FBA program. Okay. Another way in which you can actually earn it's by using social media. Okay. And by social media, I'm talking about, creating a TikTok account, an Instagram account, Facebook account, a YouTube channel. Literally nowadays you can put content out there. And yeah, all of these platforms, depending on where you are, they are paying their content creators. Okay. The one that have, I don't want to say like more opportunities because all of them have opportunities, but I mean, and this is the reason why, because this platform has been around for a really long time. Um, it's YouTube. YouTube nowadays have creators for everywhere and it's paying literally everybody. TikTok, Meta per se, which is Instagram, Facebook, they have limits depending on where you are, you can actually get paid and be a partner with them. But I'm not only talking about the fact that you can actually earn money with Google, in this case with Google AdSense, because you can also promote your own product. You can also do affiliate marketing. You can also promote other people's products and services. You can also do brand deals. You can also do reviews. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. But getting back to the topic, um, this is actually a way in which you can combine most of this. Okay. This is actually a way in which you can actually combine. And I can say all of them because you can earn with Google AdSense. You can earn by selling your own digital product. You can earn by doing affiliate marketing. You can promote your own course if you have your own course. You can capture people's name and email. So you're going to have the opportunity to do email marketing. And if you have your products on being part of the Amazon FBA program, okay, and since you order your product, to do a review, you can actually be creating a review about your product and you can refer them to go ahead and purchase it on Amazon. So it's literally a really powerful business model, but most people underestimate it because they don't understand the potential about creating content. Okay, being consistent, creating content, but again, as email marketing, key here is to be niche specific. Okay, because literally on social media, no one is telling you like, hey, you need to create content about this, and that's it. You can talk to them about one thing, the other day about the other thing, and all the stuff. Okay, but you need to be consistent. You need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success. And you can use social media to have a really profitable online business. If you want that online business to help you earn some extra money, that's actually was my goal at the beginning. I was looking to earn maybe $300 extra, $500 extra. I was like, man, that's actually going to help me because I'm barely making it with the amount of money that I'm doing right now. Even with $1,000 extra, I was happy. At the end of the day, I was able to replace two full-time jobs. So I can tell you that if there is a why, there is a way. Okay. So again, if you enjoy this content, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and all the information about, with step-by-step guide and everything about it, how I was able to replace my full-time job. Okay. It's going to be in the very first link in the description. That's it for this video. I see you guys on the next video.